Well, I hate to say I told you so, but I told you so. And they laughed at me when I did this, but watch this. I took my Fibonacci ruler, my Fibonacci time zone, and I drew it back to this low point right here, and I took that 144th day, and you may have seen my video where I did this. And I drew it out and I said, we've got something very bad coming. The market is going to fall, and I'm going to tell you the exact time when it's going to do it. We had this 144th day, we had the 89th day, we had 55 days, we had 34 days, and then the countdown began. And here was this big run up, and look at that, right on the zero line, the blue light switched sides. Right on the zero line, from 144 to right there, to the zero line. That blue light switched sides. And I said, watch out, there's an impending fall coming. And everybody laughed and said, your little Fibonacci calculator doesn't work that good. Look at what it did. Right to the day. They laughed when I did this. They laughed when I said this. And, hate to say I told you so, but I told you so. I was out of the market, were you? Now obviously there's a lot more to Fibonacci and Elliott wave patterns than just drawing this simple trend line or this simple calculator on the screen. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about Fibonacci, Elliott wave, and my 5 steps to a successful trade, count, measure, setup, trigger, and follow through, stop by TradeMentors.com, sign up for my Heisenberg trading strategy, and we'll get you started. It's free. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click right here. I'm going to set up this video so that you can see the video that I did, the previous video that I did, talking about this setup itself and the video they laughed at me in. You can go watch that video right now. Click here.